we're going to go ahead and look at dividing fractions with mixed numbers. My problem is 1 2/3 divided by 1/3. If I look at my rules, rule number 1 says the first thing I have to do is ask myself, do I have two fractions? The answer to this is no, because 1 2/3 is not a fraction, it's mixed. So therefore, I have to change my mixed fraction into an improper, which is no problem because we know how to do that. So the first thing I'm going to do is 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5 over 3. 1 2/3 is now renamed as 5 over 3. And I'm just going to finish at this point writing my problem out. Now I can ask myself, do I have two fractions? The answer is yes. I have 5/3, even though it's improper, it is a fraction, divided by 1/3, which is a proper fraction. So I do have fractions that I can now multiply by. Before I can multiply, though, now I can put my rule number 2, which says keep, change, flip. So let's look at keep. I'm going to keep 5/3. I'm going to change my operation sign from division to multiplication, and I'm going to flip my second fraction so that it is now 3 over 1. I can multiply my numerators, which gives me 5 times 3 for my numerators. My denominators are 3 times 1. I am left with an answer of 5 times 3 is 15 over 3 times 1, which is 3. I look at 15 over 3 and I say, something's not right. I know that's an improper fraction because my numerator is larger than my denominator. I'm going to have to change that into a mixed fraction. So I have to ask myself, and some of us will know this, and some of us might need our chart, which is fine. I have to ask myself, looking at 3, how many groups of 3 do I have that can go into 15? Well, in this case, I actually see that 3 divides into 15 5 times. My final answer is 5, which we know is the same thing as 5 over 1, or I could just say 5.